Hi, welcome to another junior number video. In this video, we're going to chat about prime and composite numbers. Remember, we've chatted about factors before. Factor times a factor makes a product. While a prime number is a number that only has two factors, itself and one. So if I gave you the example of the number 7, what are the factors of 7? 1 times 7. So there's only two factors of 7, 1 times 7. There are no other whole numbers that give 7. So since 7's only got two factors, we call it a prime number. Now the other way to look at it is a composite number. A composite number is a number that has more than two factors. So if I gave you the example of the number 8, what are the factors of 8? 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So there are 4 factors of the number 8. So because it's got more than two factors, it's called a composite number. All right, example 1. Is 20 a prime number or a composite number? If you get asked this in any kind of test or assessment, you can't just say prime number or composite. You have to give a reason why. So here are all the factors of 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Now because it's got lots of factors, more than 2, it's called a composite number. All right, what about the number 17? Is this a prime number or a composite number? Well, the factors of 17 are 1 and 17. That's all. 1 times 17 is 17. Because it's only got two factors, it's a prime number. Okay, what about the number 1? Is this prime or composite? This is an interesting question. Number 1 has only got two factors. 1 times 1 makes 1. Actually, no, it doesn't have two factors. It's only got one factor because we don't need to repeat factors. So the number 1 has only got one factor. Now, we talked before, a prime number must have two factors and a composite number must have more than two. So it's neither prime nor composite. All right, here's a list of numbers from 1 to 100. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross off all the composite numbers, the numbers that have more than two factors. And what's left are the prime numbers. Not true, because I have to get rid of the number 1, because that's not prime nor composite. So what's left now is all the prime numbers. So the yellow number 1 is neither prime nor composite. The white numbers are prime numbers, and the blue numbers are composite numbers. Have a look at number 2. It's the only prime number that's even. It's an interesting point to note as we end this video. Awesome. Thanks very much for watching.